to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Skoda Kodiaq RS. The Skoda Kodiaq RS 2026 is the latest iteration of Skoda's popular 7-seater SUV. It has evolved with a fresh design, cutting-edge technology, and improved performance while retaining its reputation as a practical and family-friendly vehicle. It caters to buyers seeking a European-style 3-row model at a competitive price point. The Kodiaq RS has gained significant popularity in markets like Australia, where it offers a compelling alternative to premium models like the Audi Q7 at nearly half the price. For 2026, the Skoda Kodiaq enters its second generation. New platform. Built on the Volkswagen Group MQB Evo toolkit for enhanced versatility and driving dynamics. Revised exterior design. A sleeker, more modern aesthetic with bold lines. Interior upgrades. Improved materials, a larger touchscreen, and innovative controls like smart dials. Technology overhaul. A new 15-inch touchscreen, enhanced digital instrument cluster, and seamless connectivity options. The 2026 Skoda Kodiaq RS boasts a sophisticated cabin with premium materials, high-quality part leather and part vinyl finishes with heating and cooling options for the front seats. Smart dials, innovative, configurable controls for climate, volume, drive modes, and more. Spacious seating, comfortable second-row seats with sliding functionality for added flexibility and a third row suitable for short-term use. Advanced infotainment, a 15-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, and an intuitive interface. Storage solutions, large center console, cup holders, USB-C ports, wireless phone chargers, and multi-pocket seat backs. The cargo area offers 340 liters of space with all seats up, expanding to 910 liters with the third row folded. Practical additions like bag hooks, a space-saver spare wheel, and side crevices enhance usability. Powertrain options. Select and Sportline. Powered by a 2.0-liter turbo petrol engine producing 140 kilowatts, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. RS variant, likely equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine delivering 195 kilowatts per 400 newton-meters, similar to the superb Sportline and Golf GTI. Driving experience. The Kodiaq RS is designed for versatility, excelling in urban traffic, smooth handling and precise steering, highways, confident performance on unrestricted autobahns, mountain roads, agile maneuverability in tight and twisting conditions. While official pricing details will be confirmed in early 2026, estimates suggest competitive drive-away costs starting at approximately $56,490 for the Select and Sportline trims, with a premium RS model anticipated to reach around $70,000. This strategic pricing positions the lineup as an attractive option for Australian consumers seeking a balance of performance, style, and affordability. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.